Hello everyone and welcome to DelftStack. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through fixing the wrong time on Windows 11 so your clock is always perfectly accurate. This process is straightforward, so let's jump right into it. The first and easiest step is to force Windows to check in with the global time servers right now. Go ahead and right-click directly on the time and date in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Select Adjust Date and Time from the menu that pops up. Once the Settings window opens, look for the Additional Settings section near the bottom. You will see a Sync Now button. Go ahead and click that immediately. If it spins and gives you a check mark, you are good to go. However, if it fails or if the time drifts again later, we need to toggle the automatic setting. Scroll up to Set Time Automatically and turn that toggle off. Wait just a second, and then turn it back on to force a reset of the connection. If the settings menu didn't work, the background service responsible for the clock might be stuck. Let's restart it. Click on your Start button and type Services into the search bar. Open the Services app with the gear icon. Click anywhere on the list of services and type the letter W to jump down to the W section. Scroll down until you find Windows Time. Right-click on Windows Time and select Properties. First, make sure the startup type is set to Automatic so it runs every time you turn on your PC. Next, check the service status. If it says Stopped, click the Start button. If it says Running, click Stop and then click Start again to refresh it completely. Click Apply and then OK to save those changes. If you're still seeing the wrong time, we need to use a command to force the system to unregister and re-register the time configuration. Click your Start button, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the black window, we are going to type a few commands one by one. First, type net stop W32 time and hit Enter to stop the service. Next, type W32TM /unregister and hit Enter to remove the old broken configuration. Now type W32TM /register and hit Enter to put a fresh configuration back in. Finally, type net start W32 time and hit Enter to start everything back up. Type W32TM /resync for one last force sync, and you should see a success message. One quick pro tip: if you dual boot your computer with Linux or Ubuntu, Windows will often show the wrong time because Linux uses universal time and Windows uses local time. If this is you, the issue isn't broken settings, it's just a conflict. The easiest fix is actually to go into your Linux settings and set it to use local time instead of UTC, which will make both operating systems agree on the clock. And that's it. Your Windows 11 clock should now be perfectly synced and accurate. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and take care.